Day 2, my fingernail falling off.
Day 2. Y'all see it? Look. Oh, in there, like, I've been playing with it. And it's been coming more loose. Y'all see it in there? Hold on. So I had to prop my shit up. Look, y'all. Look at that. Ew. Ew. Look at that. Day 2, y'all. Day 2. Hey, I'm finna go live. Y'all come mess with me on the live. If this on my other page, go follow my other page. Because I'm going to be live on my other page, but I'm going to post this on both pages. But y'all look. Yeah. Man. It's coming, man. Alright, y'all. Alright. I'm done, y'all. I'm done. I can't take no more. I'm getting lightheaded. We done, man. Day 2. Y'all keep tuning in. Oh, shit.